What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and as you can see here, we are talking about Shiba Inu today. So this right here is Shibaswap trading inside of the United States. So we're trading on Twitter. Shibaswap is officially out, and you can see on the official Shiba Inu page, it says here Shibaswap now live. So yeah, Shibaswap is now live. Happy Shiba Independence Day. Yeah, Shibaswap is now live. So now let's check out the Shibaswap website. This is the website here. So this is the big moment everyone's been waiting for, and a lot of people are really disappointed because they were expecting it to have this huge jump, and honestly we didn't have a huge jump like they're expecting. This is around the time when they announced it we're going down, and now when they announced it, we're going back up to that trend line that we were on. So we were going on a negative trend line until they announced it. Now we're going back on this positive trend line. So honestly, what this whole announcement of Shibaswap looks like, it looks like Shibaswap is going to allow slow and steady growth for Shiba Inu, because we didn't have a huge jump and we still stopped at the same resistance. We still couldn't pass it, so we might just have slow growth for the rest of the time of Shiba Inu for right now, which is actually good to have slow growth instead of just some fast FOMO that just happens because everyone has a fear of missing out, right? So here is Shibaswap. You have the dig that you can do. Liquidity provider rewards. So if you provide liquidity, you earn the rewards for digging, as they call it. And then they have fetch, where you migrate your SLP tokens to earn bone. And yeah, that's fetch for 2 weeks, so you can do that if you want. And then they also have the bury, which is staking. So if you want to stake and earn interest, you can bury your coins and then stake them for interest. So there's also that. Now it's coming soon. They said it's not here yet. It says coming soon. APY is coming soon, so they'll tell you how much you're gonna get soon. So when they're gonna make it, I don't know when they're gonna make it, but this is over here. Shibaswap allows you to stake tokens, blah blah blah. When you stake leash, and when you stake sheep, leash, or bone, you will receive sheep, leash, or bone. Those tokens represent your share of the pool. Wolf returns are distributed weekly. So they say, disclaimer, maximize the returns by leaving tokens staked. The longer your tokens are in the pool, the more returns you will receive, whereas frequently staking and unstaking will lower your return long-term gains. There's a mechanism to ensure a fair return distribution among holders, blah blah blah. You can claim 33% of your wolf returns weekly, but the remaining 67% will be time locked for 6 months, right? So yeah, this is still coming soon, but still, Shibaswap is now out. You can swap your tokens. The bone folio, to check your portfolio, bone folio, is coming soon. And then they have the wolf, your returns, which is here. And then yeah, so not everything is 100% out. They have stuff that you have to wait a little bit. This says in 11 days. Yeah, there's other stuff like right here, the Shibaswap, the actual swap is out. So if you want to actually use Shibaswap, you can just do like 15 Ethereum for Shib, and then you would go over here to swap your tokens. Just type in Shiba Inu and 15 Ethereum. And you also have to type in the amount of Shib you want, but I have no money in it, so there's nothing gonna pop up. And the only wallets you can use are MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase Wallet. You can only use those 3 wallets. Coinbase Wallet won't even let me sign up, so I don't even like Coinbase now. But yeah, but anyway, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet. No Trust Wallet, none of that. They won't allow that. MetaMask is probably your best bet, honestly. But yeah, this is the whole Shibaswap. So let me know what you think of Shibaswap. Let me know if you're underwhelmed, if you're just a little disappointed with the rollout of Shibaswap, if you just don't think it's good. I mean, I'm definitely not disappointed with the Shibaswap rollout, but it could have been. We could have had a lot more growth if they would have waited. They probably should have waited until all the FUD, cleared out. But it probably would take forever for all the FUD to clear out, and it would probably take forever for people to FOMO back into the market. But as you can see, bone up here, $16, leash at $2,700, and sheep at 879.000, whatever you want to call it. So good news with Shibaswap. Finally got Shibaswap out. Something weird though. We had 586,000 people on Shiba Inu yesterday, and now we have 587,000 holders. You would think something like Baby Dogecoin that happened. Baby Dogecoin got like 300K within a month. Now that 400K holders within 1 month. And SHIB has been out for a whole year, so 587,000 people with SHIB now. We only got 1,000 people into SHIB yesterday, like overnight, leading into Shibaswap being today. We only got 1,000 people who joined, so 586,000 to 1,000, so 587,000. So, and as you can see, I just now refreshed, and it looked like we may have lost someone. But yeah, Shibaswap is out though. This is really good news. And as you can see, the 24-hour trading volume is up by 64% in the last 24 hours. So 64% in the last 24 hours. That's a lot. So that's actually good news. A lot of that is buying, some of it's selling. But yeah, now that Shibaswap is out, a lot of that is going to be going on. People who have been holding out for Shibaswap are probably ended up selling now, because they're seeing that Shibaswap didn't do much and they're hoping to be rich overnight. So those people are selling out as the long-term holders for Shibaswap are holding. Now, Shibaswap has some actual use cases. Shiba Inu has actual use cases now. You could literally stake your tokens, you can bury your tokens, and you can just earn interest on it, like left and right, just earn interest. So whenever they come out with the APY, I'm gonna be looking this up. And yeah, this is it right here. What does this say? Okay, yeah. So Wolfable, Bone, Wolfable, WETH, and this is talking about all the other stuff. So yeah, staking is here, Shiba Inu is here, Shibaswap is here. Let me know what you all think, because this is kind of just came out of nowhere. Like, no one expected it, and I didn't expect it. I know that. And then you come over here to Certic. This is their auditing thing, and it still says that no assessment has been done, in progress under assessment by experts. So they're saying that the audit is still in progress, but if they released it, that means that the audit is done. Maybe they haven't updated this website yet, but that part is weird. Maybe they haven't updated Certic yet, but we'll check that out later. I'll definitely do another video on that later, because we gotta know when that is coming out, or yeah, when the audit is 100% done. It says that it's done on the Shiba Inu website, but let's hope that it's actually done, right? So yeah, not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice, but let's talk about the India crypto COVID relief fund, right? So let's go over to the holders here. They are literally still holding. So I think they know something is going to be up with Shiba Inu. They know Shiba Inu is going to go crazy. They haven't sold out inside 20 days here, 20 whole days. So that's good news there. But it also means that whenever they do decide to sell, we're going to drop a little bit, because let's be honest, they're not just going to stay in the whole time. And look at this. We have this wallet right here. This wallet right here is a big whale inside of Shiba Inu. They have $81 million. I'm going to say that again, $81 million, amounting for 0.91% of all SHIBs. And 4 hours ago, they purchased some SHIB, bunch of SHIB, 28 billion SHIB, or 23 billion. And then over here, they purchased 22 billion. Then over here, they purchased 24 billion. So they're buying a lot of SHIB. This was all done today since Shibaswap came out. Shibaswap came out 5 hours ago. And yeah, they started buying 5 hours ago. So that's really good news right there. Shows that the whales are optimistic about this still. The whales are still buying Shiba Inu. The whales are still doing their thing. So I'm definitely interested in Bone and Leash and Sheep now. I definitely want all of them. But now I got to make a MetaMask account so then I can get on here, because you can only use MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase Wallet. But yeah, anyways, not a financial advisor, not a financial advisor. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you think that this is, disappointing, or if you actually like this whole rollout. But yeah, let me know all that inside the comments. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. And hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood, Webull, Public.com, Crypto.com, and Voyager. You can get free money on all of them for signing up, and hopefully Shiba Inu does something like that too, so then we can make money for signing up on Shiba Inu. But yeah, not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice at all. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you know exactly what you're going to do. Make sure you have an extra strategy. Make sure you do not overextend yourself inside any crypto, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.